In 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Lux Unboxing. My name is Josie and today I'm actually here in Vegas. So Chanel just launched a new grand reopening at the Wynn and it is absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful. There's like room after room after room. And of course, you have to do an unboxing if you're gonna go to a Chanel store, right? So I'm here in Vegas right now, loved it. Everything was amazing. They actually had so much inventory, but the item in here is something that everyone kind of wants, right? And it's just really hard to find right now because inventory is so low. So I was so excited to see this and I couldn't believe it was there. And they just opened today. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like the pictures and I took some videos so you guys can see what the store is about. If you get a chance and you're actually here, it is the Chanel Wynn that is just beautiful. They had ready to wear, they had so much jewelry, they actually had wallets and card cases and just a bunch of bags from 21K. But let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so like I said, this item is actually an item that is definitely a classic that a lot of people have been asking to get. And it's just really, really hard to find and people are on a waiting list for it. I just couldn't believe that they actually just had it sitting there. So you guys can go ahead and maybe comment down below and let me know what you guys think it might be. But you guys already know that it's probably gonna be a big item, right? And can we just talk about this whole limit thing with like one bag and one SLG? I'm still kind of in shock about it just because I don't understand where Chanel is coming from. I do think it is a good idea to limit it. One a month is kind of hard, especially if there's a new collection out and you want different types of bags, right? So I think it's gonna be hard to choose what kind you want and what you prefer. And as you guys can tell, it is black paper. So some of you might know what black paper means instead of white, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pull it out just because I kind of want to just get it over with. But ready, and voila. So you guys already know when it is in a bag like this, it is considered a classic bag, right? Any guesses? I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. I feel like this item is something that you need to have in your like Chanel collection, right? Either it's your first one, your 10th one, your 20th one, it doesn't even matter, but you just have to have it in order to make your collection complete. And that is if you can find it. And she's here. It is a gorgeous, beautiful, amazing classic flap in caviar with gold hardware. You guys have no idea how hard it is to actually find this kind of combo, but it is just so beautiful. And just look at the detail and just the shine and everything about it. You guys can see the sticker is still on there. It is completely brand new. They actually just put it out, it just said this morning. So take a look at that. And we have obviously the double flap. And then you guys look at the inside. It's really great because obviously you can put like a full-size wallet in there if you want to. Here is the chip that is happening now with the newer bags. There's no more authenticity cards, right? Make sure you keep an eye out for this. And this chip is a way that you can record your bag at the store and then put it on warranty in case something happens to it, you know, but just everything about this bag is just amazing. Like you can actually put your cell phone right here in front, right? There's like enough room for a cell phone. And then you can also put like I said, a full size, you know, wallet inside, maybe a card case, but let's go ahead and see. So this is an XS Max, right? It actually fits right here in front, just like that. And then the nice thing about it is back here, you could also go ahead and just put like a little card case or maybe just like some cash and, you know, like your ID or, you know, credit card, and it makes it really easy to go. But take a look at that. You can go ahead and just put the card case right here in the back, which is great, right? Because if you just want to go ahead and just put in, fits in perfectly. And the best part about it is that there's just so much like room inside. And you know, typically probably don't think that there's that much room, but see, here's the phone. If you don't want to put it in the flap, let's take a look at that. See? And then you can still put your car keys in there, maybe like a lip balm, you know, like your powder. But she's just so pretty and just so beautiful. And just look at the hardware on her. And the best part, you guys already know with this, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the sticker. That way you guys can see if you want to ask for it, right? It's obviously a revolving bag because it is classic, right? And the price on here, as of right now, you guys know the price increase is going to happen soon. It is $7,100, right? But this is a small classic bag in the beautiful caviar leather. She's just so gorgeous, has like a beautiful sheen to it, but it's a classic bag that all Chanel lovers should have as a staple in their closet. And I'm just so excited that it was actually available just sitting there on the shelf. So if you want to reach out to your SA, ask them if they have it available. You might get lucky and find it in the store. And yeah, I mean, she's just so pretty. And I just love how heavy she is. And it's great because you can just wear it so many different ways, right? If you want to go ahead and just wear it, you know, like long as a crossbody, you could put it over your shoulder, right? Such a great size. And it's actually not too heavy, but I just really love her. And it's just a great addition to any Chanel collection. So like I said, the price increase is going to happen soon. I'm not sure if it's going to happen in a classic flap, but definitely keep an eye out on it from what I've been hearing with the rumors and everything. So get one if you see it, because it's going to be gone right away. So just comment down below, hit like, subscribe, and I hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching.